Thank you for viewing my video. I'm going to be drawing a praying mantis. I'm going to start with the body, and then the thorax, and then the head, adding the eyes and the antennae, and starting the first part of the legs. The praying mantis is named for its prominent front legs, which are bent and held together at an angle that suggests the position of prayer. By the name, these fantastic insects are formidable predators. They have triangular heads poised on a long neck or elongated thorax. Don't worry about your drawing being too exact. It looks more artsy if it doesn't look like it was done by a machine. The little feet have texture on the bottom. As do the underside of the arm. Add some texture to the back of the body. Once you're confident in your drawing, it's nice to have a range of values, which is the light and dark of the drawing. So don't be afraid, once you like your drawing, to go back over it and darken some of the areas. Put the little bit of shading, gives it form. Hope you had fun with this.